Yes. Wow. Look at this. Wow. Mm-hmm. Look at this. Look at these houses built in the mountains. Jamaica, good life. Look at that. Look at how some of these people are living in Jamaica. Wow. The goat. This is the goat that minds in business. This is a different part, different community. Look how these people live. New people. Yes, blouse and skirt. The difference between this is why I like Manchester. I went to Portland, love it, it's beautiful. But the difference between Manchester, there's a lot of water around here. So what you find is not a lot of mosquitoes. So the air is kind of free in the days, you know? So nothing really bothers you, right? And the mountains in Norway, them just right beside you, so you could touch them. So the people live within the mountains, you know? And Nonsuch is another beautiful place like Norway. So, you know what? Just a beautiful, beautiful. I just love. It's peaceful. Quiet your mind. Give you a nice feeling. You know. Oh man, people, you have to experience this. There's no traffic coming through here often. It's just beautiful, peaceful. It just makes you happy. The birds are around you. You're just in a space by yourself. I'm gonna get a bicycle. This journey is a personal journey for me because it's time to build my home in the mountains. And this is where I love, this is what I love. To each his own. I fell in love with Jamaica a long time ago. I didn't get married because I was in love with Jamaica. And the woman that I would marry would also have to be in love with Jamaica. You have to love the land first, you know? And you come from the dust, yeah? Yes. Boy. No. It's part of the teaching is this. Look at me and say, Randy, you're delusional. You see, before this flower became a flower, it had to change. Who's calling me now? I'm disconnected from the world. Why are they calling me? Look at that mountain. I should take this walk every morning. Ah, yes, the blouse on skirt. Randy did it again. I discovered a new path, made a new friend today. I love walking, meeting people, you know? Dr. Bird. When you do come to Norway, and you're gonna come, I'm gonna go find a man with a room that you could rent. Well, you're coming. Jonathan's room is not done yet. Well, you're coming. You're bringing all the town people to check it out. Share the wealth, you know, Jamaica. You're gonna have this peaceful walk. When people said to me, Randy, when people come to the retreat, what are they coming for? I said, they're coming to walk and relax. Look at, you see this house over there? Papa Bear. There's a video I did about a man, 70 years in farming. He used to live there. 70 years farming. Look at where he lived. Wow. That's my acting grandfather. He beat me once. I don't know why he beat me. Maybe I did shit up the place. But that's Papa Bear. And I video him celebrating his 70 years of farming. So this is documentary series. So many people worried about, Randy, making all this money on YouTube. Go worry about the other people who are not of our culture. Don't worry about Randy. Randy represents the culture correctly. Thanks to my supporters. I'm happy that I'm able to do this for so long with my own money and thing and show you this beautiful place, change your idea and your mind about Jamaica. Big up to Comfort, big up to Queen Cuisine, big up to all the people who support this movement. There's his house. Let me take a picture here. I need to come around this side more often because this side is beautiful. I've actually never walked this far. That's the thing about life. Just keep walking. You discover someplace new. It is so beautiful. So when you come, don't jump. Just sit down and look at Papa Bear's house. What I like about Manchester, this area, Trelawney is not too far. St. Elizabeth is not too far. You literally live and sit among the mountains. Mike from Portland, thank you. We're gonna keep showing the people the beauty of our country. Jamaica, good life. There is the that telescope looks at Cuba. Look at that piece of land that they clean up right on top of the mountain. You see it? For the people who don't know me, this is where I'm from. Where him gone?
Granny come take him look like the boy beat him, so they call him come for him.
Alright, there's a woman that give $10 every month for you where you take care of him. So that's $1,500. So I go tell her, I say, him gone. That's how nice to people I miss.
Tell all the police how some foreign people come here we are trying to sell in bikini.
Who?
Purple.
Alright.
Me say me come from Mandeville and they tell me how to shot him some box.
Oh.
Purple.
Shot the picking box?
Yes, and I call the granny. And say they if do it quick and if they not do it quick, I go call children advocate. Make them come for him. So when time the police come there, so me think I may send the police here.
Boy, mad man.
You mad?
The man head sick man.
So that's it.
Even though he ain't gone, you know, we can't look for him anytime, you know. Kind of the background, you know. Me hear somebody has to think, so they don't want him, then and then he can't come there, you know. So I say, alright, then come for him. And if they don't want you and the picking there, you come back to your yard and come take care of the picking and make them take care of you there. And when he come back, he say the daughter, say no, he can't come there.
Hey, baby, then now.
Me gone with him, me say. So me I look for him for now to weekend.
Purple no Madina?
You mad?
Alright, Jamaican. The world, you know.
Shop with the
You
machine.
don't see me.
Yeah, man, I say one. Shop with the machine. Shop with the machine.
You see the machete, and me shot me too.
Yeah, you shot me.
Nobody shot me this
No.
time around it.
So shot me, no?
They shot me now?
When you shot machete,
you into your shop.
more time, when you shot machete, you need to brace it on.
Yeah.
Alright?
Go on, brother Ramsey.
Because in a St. Mary, you have to put your big thumb on the fire like this. You see me?
Lord expert.
Okay? In a St. Mary, when you shot machete, we brace it and bend it.
No,
You
no.
have to
we not
No,
go.
listen to me, man. You have to
Alright,
bend
man.
it.
Yeah.
You know, listen.
Yeah,
You're
man,
a
listen.
farmer, you know. Me a farmer. You must listen.
Come in, child, I don't want much
So
in there.
you bend it so you can get right where you bend it.
Yeah.
You see what me I say?
Mm.
You don't know them things that G you. But more
Go on,
time,
night. Go on, night.
more
Go on,
time
night.
you start from the tip of the file and you go down and push forward and push out. You see me?
Yeah.
So you have to do it like this.
Make the roll seat.
I know some man I go stop. You don't have to go back more time, you have to go forward. And later on you have to go back. They don't know the thing, you know.
What I do about it?
If you want to cut the machete forward, Slim, you have to go forward. You don't come back. You go against the grain. They don't know the thing. Pops don't know the thing.
Cut up in it.
Sure. Go on, night. Go on, night. Go on, night.
Oh, Lord.
Your machete I try.
I think my shit that's right.
You see that? Watch yourself now that we're cut off your head.
Pitney? Can I go, sir? You can't go in there. So go down in there. And come out of the pan. Come out of the pan. So you make it look like you want leather to go down in there.
Rastafari. I'm not getting bucket at 20.
GU, we'll go up a mountain tomorrow.
Mountain. You got mountain tomorrow? Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
You ready for the work?
Until you ready. We'll go
I'm
to
gonna work from 5 till 5, you know.
Slavery abolished long time.
Have I the oil up here?
Eh?
Have I the oil?
No, man, I said to him, I work from 5 in the morning till 5 p.m.
But slavery abolished long time. From 8 till 4.
Yeah, by the oil. Yeah, but I 8 till 4.
8 a.m. in the morning, I go bush? Till 4?
No, I don't depend on time. Work from morning if I 8 till 2 o'clock.
At 8 o'clock you go bush?
8 o'clock I'm bush time.
No, man, you have to go bush by 5 in the morning.
Why? Why you have to go bush so early?
Because it's cool.
Oh, bush all night.
I had a bush till 5.
Yeah, man.
Under what circumstances?
Enough things in bush we do, you know.
Right, sir?
If you go with the right people, enough things in bush we do.
Anything not do today can always do tomorrow.
So I'm only going to go and make a bush 8 o'clock in 7 o'clock.
GU, you ready for that kind of work
Make
there?
a bush
Yeah.
6 o'clock.
5 a.m. till 5 p.m.
No. We got bush 8 o'clock and come back and make left half 3 o'clock.
Kind of easy life around this.
No, no, easy life. From me do.
You know, when you're sharp now, machete, you feel the sweet spot, you know.
But talk about the bucket.
No, I know that. I'm going to go to the front of the machete, alright, you know.
No man, I like it flat.
You know, it's flat there now.
I don't like it round.
No, you know.
Round sharp. I like it flat sharp. There's a difference. You know, going like China country I come from now. You never see me at St. Mary when I farm. You never really did know me. Back in St. Mary.
How much farming you do?
Yam them did long, so you know. White yam, you know, we used to dig white yam. And we used to have tangerine and pig and goat. Graveyard and thing. And we used to have 12 dogs. And raise chicken too. And kill hog. So I know about all of the pimento and the rum with the hog. We used to make coal up there, so we used to make coal up at the yard, remember?
I always burn coal now. Yes, I burn coal.
You have an uncle that's supposed to be
Nick, I plan to go to pool now.
So where him live?
St. Mary in the last time, tell Mary spot when you want
My
money.
calling. So I'm to your foot.
Them sick man.
So you're tired now.
Tired.
You getting the vitamins yet?
No.
I'll give you some vitamins. Make you
Yes, let
strong.
me buy one buckler.
Nadine, what castor oil good for?
Castor oil good for a lot of things, you know. But that is too dark.
I have to clean out your
dark?
belly.
Yeah, man, that's too dark.
Too thick?
Black.
What's the name of that?
Castor oil now is castor oil you can use it to comb your hair, you can use it to wash out. You can use it if you have some pain in your body, you can heat it as well and rub it. Castor oil do a lot of things.
Good for sore foot. What percent is castor oil can do?
Sore foot?
Rub it on foot. Heal up it.
So you just drink a little bit to clean out yourself?
Yeah.
Little
Yeah,
bit.
have enough. Little tip.
Just a small amount.
So if you drink
You
little,
kill it, you know, you poison it, you know.
you poison you?
I mean, if you poison your vaccine, you can touch it and can't touch.
You kick that sit and can't talk.
How we get thing, you know? I'm pretty castor oil, you know.
You're good for your skin.
Yeah, my God, take care about your skin too, man. Tighten up your body. Castor oil,
That one
bad
be
boy.
expensive from him, you know.
The deer, you know.
A deer.
I like castor oil.
Gee, what do you want me for weed up right now?
I don't know, make you pass, yes, you pass.
That more answer.
That's what it is. Look, you see red chart, you know, we knew, you know.
Gee, you need me to cut something.
Yeah, I'm sitting there. Time the pin fast.
Right, just so I know I'm clean up. Up here, stone there.
Fast, man.
You machete I can life, man. See you.
Aye, man, Lord. There's a machete with power.
A stone this. I hear that lead. Stop show off, you know.
I know half me I show the whole like me I show.
I'll cut off the foot. You should never let want to show off my see there. See there.
This is the make you pass, this is the pass.
See you, some of that.
Yeah.
You that you every day.
You remember man?
Not even a ketchup bitter.
Yeah, man. See my brush sugar, say.
Yeah, I joke.
No man, my
That's
brush
enough
sugar.
work for today. Farming done.
From 5 till 5 that.
5 till 5, 5
Good
minutes.
job.
Time for eat dinner and go home. Gee, you know, I want to